Can a plant actually eat animals? Yes. Meet the pitcher plant and Venus flytrap, nature's real-life carnivores. They lure insects, and sometimes even small animals, using sweet nectar. Once the prey steps inside, snap! The trap closes and the plant slowly digests its meal. In some rare cases, scientists have found tiny frogs, lizards, and even mice inside these plants. It's nature's most bizarre way to survive where soil is poor. Would you dare touch one? Tell us in the comments. In the heart of a dense forest, these fascinating plants thrive, showcasing an extraordinary adaptation to their environment. The pitcher plant, with its tubular shape, creates a liquid trap that not only catches insects, but can, on rare occasions, catch something larger, such as a small frog. Nearby, the Venus flytrap remains ever vigilant, its rapid snap designed for efficiency, ensuring no chance of escape for unsuspecting prey. This astonishing dynamic in nature reveals how life finds unique ways to survive and thrive, captivating the minds of both young and old alike.